Hello guys and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video I'll teach you guys how to delete all contacts from iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your contacts. After you're on your contacts, you will see that you have a lot of contacts, and if you want to delete all of them at once, you will need to just head over to one first and then tap on edit and scroll down all the way till you find the delete contact option. Now this is not really practical when you have a lot of contacts. So in this case, what you need to do is simply tap on delete all option, right? But there is no option for that in iPhone yet. There is no single tap delete for your contacts in iPhone. If you head over to the list and tap on the edit option, you will notice that you can only delete a certain list and not all of your contacts. So the solution here is you will need to select each and every one of these contacts. Now, if you do not know how you can select every one of your contacts, this is how you do it. Use two of your fingers, tap on one contact using both of your fingers, and then simply swipe down. Now, if you swipe down, it will take you below as well. And after you do that, what you'll need to do is long press on one, and then you'll get this option. Now, simply tap on delete contacts, and with that, your contacts will get deleted. Now do this for each and every one of your contacts, and with that you will be able to delete all of your contacts at once. And yeah, that is basically all for this video guys. I hope this helped. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.